How to give Robux to friends. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Log into your account and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on More, which has three buttons located on bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on More, located on bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Create. Click on Create and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left and here click on Creations, which is below Home. You'll find Your Place. Simply click on your username and place option and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines again and scroll down till you find Passes. Click on Passes and then click on Create a Pass. In here, add name, which is give Robux. Type in give friend Robux, click on Create Pass, and then click on Give friend Robux Pass you just created. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines and then click on Sales. Make sure Item for Ship is turned on and add price. After you're done, click on Save Changes and you're good to go. This is how to give Robux to friends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.